You know what? You must arrange Monday, Tuesday, we must sit up to about 5. We must start at 9 and sit right up to 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Tuesday also, from 9 up to 5.
As a court, please, from my discussion with my colleagues, it doesn't appear that there'll be a need to go beyond Monday.
I've been sitting in this court for a year. I've heard that story before. You've got to make arrangements. Make arrangements with the staff here. Or in other words, speak to the DJP so that a gentleman like the stenographer there must know that he sits from 9 up to 5 on Monday. And even the police and even the custodians, what do they call the boss of the jail there? The chief warder.
The head of prison.
The head of prison. Monday, Tuesday, we start at 9, we end at 5. Okay.
As a court, please.
If the miracle happens that we finish on Monday, fine. Is that okay, sir?
It's fine, my lord.
So we adjourn now.
Yeah, the only problem that I foresee,
Which one is that now?
Colonel Stein will be flying out of his province on Monday morning.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And his
Okay.
flight might not be in time to start at 9. I suggest that maybe on Monday we start at 10.
Okay.
See how we progress.
Okay.
If need be, then on Tuesday we can make those arrangements.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I wasn't aware. I thought you were going to be shooting back at the Kruger Park or whatever.
I wish.
Why do you laugh, Colonel? When I was a judge in Mafikeng, the roles were so sparse, you know, in the late 90s. Then the Law Society and some of the judges who were resident there, they would arrange hunting trips for us.
Okay.
In Harzwater,
Okay.
Pudumo, and Wolmaranstad.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah. But here you don't have that time. Okay. So we're adjourned until Monday then, 10 o'clock.
Okay, my lord.
We're just waiting for the cues, my lord. So
Is that so?
they can be. We have retrieved triple K7. Is the original disc of the downloads, just to make copies for our colleagues.
So you've got two copies now. 3,
Yes,
4, 5,
two discs.
2 discs, 5
Yes.
and 7.
Yes, indeed, my lord.
Okay.
We'll give them to the
Which other outstanding evidence is there? Documentary or, because you're saying the defense will use today to view some of these exhibits,
It's only exhibit triple K5G,
right?
the one that was handed out this morning, consisting of the section 25 from Vodacom
Yeah.
that was received by Colonel Stein.
Okay.
As well as the spreadsheet from TSU.
So what happens to the discs? You don't digitalize them.
Well, all that we can do is to save the information as it is. The information it's in a digital form.
Is that so?
Yes.
Yeah, because you know what happens.
Yes.
The department said they were going to digitalize all the records of these courts, but it hasn't happened.
Yeah.
And I can tell you now, we are reconstructing records of the 1990s. Well, in some of the cases I was involved in. Guys were sentenced in the 1990s, 2000, 2003, 4, 5. And then they want appeals. And of course, they must have their appeals. But of course, when you look for the records, they are not there, and you'll never find them.
Yes.
What about 6 matters?
Yes. Yeah, there's the unfortunate aspect of our criminal justice system, but the moves afoot to digitize everything. That might take a while, but there are such plans to have a paperless environment in court.
Okay, fine.
The accuser here, my lord, a new exhibit has been handed up at the request of the defense. It's exhibit K5G. It's a section 25 from Vodacom, and as well as the Excel spreadsheet on which Colonel Stein worked on. The defense needs time to view the information, the disk. As a result, we have agreed that the matter may stand down until Monday for the continuation of the cross-examination.
Okay. Then we shall adjourn until Monday. Unfortunately, I'm not good at golf.
You could always start learning.